Hello, students. I hope you are well and staying from home. Today we have a beautiful class that is past continuous. What about past continuous? This describes actions or events from a time before the present whose beginning in the past and has not yet ended at the moment of speaking. In other words, it expresses an incompleted or unfinished action from the past. We have in Spanish the structure, the subject, and the verb to be, the gerund, there is the verb with ing, and the complement. Obviously, the subject, you know, you, he, she, it, the third person, we, you, and they, plural. And what is the verb to be? Is was, were, but we have to use with a really important rule. In this part, we have to see the positive, negative, and question form. And the positive form, and in this part, we find the subjects I, she, he, and it. These subjects we have to use with was. You, we, and they with were. Always, always. You have to remember that part. When we use I, she, he, and it, always you have to put was. And the other case, when you have to use you, we, and they, is with were. And the verb is always ing, always. This is the part of positive form. The complement is really important too, but in this part we don't have. Another, we have the negative form, that is I, she, he, it. It's the same with the first. In this part, we don't use was because it's negative. In negative form, we have to use was not. This is the long form. In short form, we have wasn't. This is the pronunciation. And you, we, and they, you have to put were not. Or the short form is weren't. The verb is always the same with ing. Always. The other part, we have question. The question form, that was and were is first. This is the auxiliary. The auxiliary in past continuous. In past continuous, always we have to use was and were. In question, first is auxiliary. For example, was I working? Always the verb is with ing. Remember, please. And were is only with you, were, and they. What is the answer of the question? If my answer is yes, I was, or maybe no, I wasn't. But if I have to answer with you, yes, you were. But it's negative, no, you weren't. That's all. It's really simple.